30,000 in BGC. Premium na ba to or just enough? Short answer, depende. But let's break it down clearly. At 30K, you're usually getting a medium studio with balcony or a compact one bedroom. Around 25 to 40 square meter, semi to fully furnished, depende sa unit. In newer buildings, mas maliit, pero mas modern. In older ones, mas malaki, pero less updated. Classic trade-off. And location matters. Closer to high street, mas compact. Further out, mas spacious for the same price. So 30K isn't just a number. It's a set of trade-offs. Pili ka na lang kung anong gusto mo. Comment 30K and I'll send you a listing na swak sa priority mo.